We're in Italy, baby. Buongiorno. We're currently driving to our hotel, which is unfortunately an hour and a half away from the airport because Sardinia is so big. I had no idea, but this island is huge. And we have been up since 2 a.m. so I might need a little nap. But today's gonna be a chill day. We might hang by the pool, maybe do some shopping. But I am excited to be here in Sardinia. So let's have some fun. Let's spend a few days here, guys. Guys, we got to the hotel and they upgraded our room. Let me show you. We have this living room. There's a balcony, which has a beautiful view. They even gave us this like complimentary little thing. It's so cute. Then we have a separate bedroom, which is stunning. Little desk and TV area. This room is so nice. Guys, look at the bathroom. This hotel is beautiful and we still haven't even explored it all. They have like a gift shop. They have this whole pool area, bar. So we're about to go check that out. We just changed. So let's go do that. We just came back to the room for a little breather after being at the pool for a few hours and finally unpacked our stuff. But we're about to get ready to go to the spa and I'm really excited. They're doing the whole thing, massage, like mud wrap, all of it, which is exactly what I wanted for this trip. I wanted this trip to be a more relaxing trip compared to our Azores trip, which was more like fun and adventurous. So I'm really looking forward to that, especially because we've been up since 2 in the morning and I think the best way to spend the day is by the pool and at the spa. I'm gonna try to bring y'all along to the spa, but we'll see because I want to be in the moment and enjoy it, but I'll try to see if I can sneak in a few videos. We just got back from our massage slash mud wrap slash lymphatic drainage. It was so nice. Josh fell asleep and started full on snoring. So you know it was a good massage. They like rubbed our scalp and pulled our hair gently for like 15 minutes and it was divine. Amazing. I love this hotel. This hotel is so nice and the view from our room is incredible. The view in front of the hotel is incredible. Everyone's been so nice here. The pools are nice. This room is nice. I highly recommend this hotel so far because I am blown away right now. But we are about to game plan to figure out what we're doing tonight because it's about 5:30 right now and we need to do dinner and we want to try to do dinner outside of the hotel tonight, but we shall see. So we're gonna game plan. I'll probably put on some makeup and change and we're gonna go hit the town maybe. If not, then we're definitely hitting the town tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Last night was so fun. There was a DJ and live music at our hotel, but now we're getting ready to do a quick gym workout, get some breakfast, then we're gonna go to the beach. So let's go do that. couldn't really film in there because there was a few people and it was starting to get busy, so we did a very quick workout and now we're getting breakfast. I have this like little tart. I want to try it. No idea what it is. It's good though. We just left this like secluded beach, which was absolutely beautiful. Josh did a bunch of snorkeling, which I would have done it with him, but the snorkel we bought yesterday for me was broken, so that was unfortunate. But now we're gonna go to a grocery store because y'all know how much we love to do that. Got the groceries. Outfit of the night. We're about to go do some shopping, possibly get some dinner. Let's go do it. Good morning, guys. It is our last full day in Sardinia and we are currently heading about an hour and a half away to go sailing for the day. I'm so excited. This was like our only planned event this time because I told y'all this vacation was way more chill. So I think having this event for today as our last day is just a really good way to end things and leave. And after we go sailing, apparently we're gonna be on this area of Sardinia, which is super bougie. So we're gonna go check it out. Probably won't really be able to shop, but apparently it's like designer avenue where it's just nothing but designer stores and mega yachts and everything. So we just want to go see it for the experience, but yeah. Anyways, Sardinia has been absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it as a vacation spot, but we're gonna go sailing, so let's go do that. Let me bring you along.
Okay. How you doing?
I'm great.
We just finished sailing, which was so fun, and our guide was amazing. She was so nice. Now we are going to that bougie area that I was telling y'all about, so let's go see what all the hype is. We are still quite a bit of ways from the like bougie area, but I can already see the mega yachts from here. This is crazy. So totally meant to get a video of the mega yachts and it just didn't happen. But we checked out the mall and everything, and honestly, I don't know. We weren't in love with it, but...
A little overhyped.
What?
A little overhyped.
Yeah, it was a little overhyped to us. But now we're heading back to Santa Teresa and we're gonna get some dinner. We're trying to decide if we want to do the beach one more time and pack it up, because it'll be time to go. We leave bright and early in the morning.